Today I'm unboxing this Rybozen USB switch selector. It can switch to 4 different computers and with 4 devices. It has a remote control and it's so the USB ports are 3.0, which is great. That's really fast, and yeah, it lets you share devices across 4 computers. So I bought this because I currently have 2 monitors connected to 2 computers, but the keyboard is not shared between each, and luckily the keyboard and mouse are on a single USB receiver or transmitter receiver, and every time I switch from one to the other, I have to unplug the USB receiver and connect it into the other computer, and that's getting annoying. So I'm hoping with this device I just hit the button on the top for computer 1 and computer 2. Actually, I have another laptop that I can connect it to that's sitting on the same machine. The same desk, so I'm hoping I can use it with all 3 computers. Yeah, one's a work computer, the other one's a really old Windows XP laptop, and the other one's a desktop computer. Okay, so the side of the box doesn't have much. Bottom of the box has some main features. It says plug and play, no driver required. Input 4x USB 3.0, a female PC. Type C power interface, easy switch by manual button or the remote control. Output 4x USB 3.0, a female connector for USB peripheral equipment. Comply with USB 3.0 specification, backward compatible with USB 2.0. So yeah, I got this device because I wanted the USB 3.0. There was another cheaper device that had USB 2.0, but why buy old tech when you can get newer tech that'll hopefully last into the future. So this is a connection diagram where it shows you can connect it to 4 PCs, and you can connect 4 devices, USB devices, to share with those 4 PCs. Yeah, so right now it's wrapped in plastic, so I'll just cut that off, and tear it off. Tear it off. Alright, there you go. And it looks like it'll just slide out one side if I push it. There. Pull it apart. Oh, it's not coming out easy. There. Right. Now this part looks like you pull the side open and then lift it up. There we go. Device is sitting at the top, and just lift it out. It's covered in a soft plastic bag. It looks like you can just pull this sticky part up and slide it out. There's a shiny strip where the buttons are. Here are the peripheral USB connections. There's a on-off switch here on the side. On the back, there's a USB-C. I believe that's for power. Yes, it does say DC 5 volts. And these are for the PC connections. And they're labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. There's nothing on this side. On the bottom, made in China. And with this quality sticker. With this, and these are like rubber feet, so it doesn't slide around too easily when it's on your desk. Here we have, that's the device, and what's underneath it is a remote. It's covered in plastic. I think I might just leave it in the plastic, because likely I won't be using it. I'll likely just be using the buttons on the device. So since it's sitting on the desk and I'll be sitting right in front of it, so there's no use for a remote. Here are some USB-C to USB-A connector. The next one is a USB. Maybe I should take it out. Be more clear. It's pretty long. It looks like they give you a pretty long wire here. USB 3 to USB 3 connector. And this one looks like just another USB 3 to USB 3, and another one, and another one. So these ones are for connecting it to your computer. The one that was USB A to USB C is the power cord. It does not come with a power plug that would let you plug it into the wall. So you would have to get one of those, or you just connect it to one of the free ports on your computer, and that should provide the 5 volt DC that the device requires. Thank you for choosing Rybozen, and yeah, and then here's the user manual. Seems easy enough once again, so I'm not sure I'm going to be reading this. If I get stuck, I'll read it. Oh, looks like it has another language in here. So yeah, it's not too much reading if you do want to read through it. It's mostly pictures. Oh yeah, like the instructions only for these first 2 pages. Then it goes to another language, so it's a 2-page manual in case you feel like reading. Yeah, that's it. So you get this thank you card, you get the user manual, you get the remote, the device, 4 USB 3 to USB 3 cables, and 1 power cable. It's a USB C to USB A cable. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel so you can help support my channel and help it grow so I can make more fun videos like this. Please also hit the thumbs up and leave a comment if this video helped you out, or even if you just enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.